If you're in need of a dependable, capable, and good-looking work truck, we have just what you're looking for. This 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 Tradesman is packed with features that will help you get the job done. It's equipped with a full 8-foot bed, Goodyear tires, spray-in bed liner, and automatic halogen headlights. It received an IIHS 4 out of 5 stars for safety and comes with front and side impact airbags and electronic traction control. The best part about the Tradesman is what comes under the hood. A 395 horsepower, 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine that's matted to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine has been performance modified with the Delete kit, allowing the truck to use all 8 cylinders all the time. The towing capacity is in excess of 9,000 pounds, more than enough to tow your boat, camper, or work trailer anywhere you need to go. The interior is everything you want in a work truck. It's simple and clean, yet offers great features. This truck is equipped with a Uconnect audio system, has steering wheel controls, air conditioning, a CD MP3 player, and a USB port. Like what you see? Come check out this Ram 1500 at Auto One Motors.